Hello everybody, welcome to Young Investor. I hope you all have a nice day. Please leave a like if you have any questions, comment down below. I gladly answer your question, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, how to read a stock code. Are you that guy that looks at the graphic of a stock price and see, they got good earnings on 2 year, on 1 year, so I'm gonna buy, and you don't understand the numbers under it? Well, then this is your video, my man. A stock code is basically something we can get information of. Alright, 3 sites you can watch for a stock code. The first one is a very good one in my opinion, is investing.com. It's free to go, they have a mobile app on iOS and Android. The second one is MarketWatch. I use MarketWatch as well, but my favorite one, the third one, is Finance Yahoo, or Yahoo Finances. I use it daily, it's my favorite, so let's get on and look to a stock. Everyone knows Google. Beginning with the things first, the company's name, that's above. Then we can see the symbol or the ticker. If you take a closer look, you can see the exchange, the Nasdaq. For an example, Apple sells also on the Nasdaq. Then we can see the current price, so at this moment. Then if you take a closer look, we can see previous close, that's the last trading day, the close price. The open is just the opening from the last day trading. Then you have the bid price, that's for how much you can sell right now. That's ask is for how much you can buy right now. The day range is the lowest and the highest point of the day. Then we have the 52-week range. That's basically the same as the day range, the lowest and the highest point of the year. Then we can see the volume, that's almost 800,000, so 800,000 stocks that went back and forth today. The average volume is the same, but it's 1.8 billion. That's due to the fact today it's Saturday, so it's closing day. Then we can see the market cap, so that's the total shares combined is 750 billion. Then the beta is, we can see the volatility of the stock, so it's above 1, it's very good. If it's under 1, it's very good, and above 1, it's very bad. Excuse me, guys. So above 1, it's very bad. Here's something very important for every investor: the PE ratio 59 and the EPS ratio of 18. We can do a simply metric by just do the current price, do 59.77, and we can see 18. So we pay $59 for $1 the company earns. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below, and please hit that subscribe button, my man. I'm out.